Hey there. Every year, the holidays sneak up, you start buying gifts, and by January, you're staring at a credit card bill wondering what happened. Let me walk you through the Christmas and holiday gift budget planner, tab by tab, so you know exactly how to use it the moment you download it and actually enjoy the season without the money stress. The dashboard is your whole holiday at a glance. Set your total budget at the top, and everything below updates itself. Total spent, budget remaining, how much went to gifts, your percentage used, and a countdown to Christmas. Our example has an $1,800 budget with about $543 still left and a nice green note confirming you're still on track. The gift tracker is the heart of it. Every person on your list, one row, their relationship, your gift idea, a budget, and what you actually spend. That difference column keeps you honest. We've got 12 people here, from mom to the mail carrier, and the status column tracks each gift from idea to purchased to wrapped to given, so nobody gets forgotten. Budget by category shows where all your holiday money really goes. Gifts, food, travel, decorations, cards. The gifts total pulls straight from your gift tracker, and everything rolls up so you can see, category by category, where the budget is tight and where you've got room. The savings plan is the tab that saves you from January. Set your goal, log a little every month, and it keeps a running total. 50 here, 100 there, and by December, you've quietly saved $800, so the holidays are paid for before they even start. The card and address list is your holiday command center for cards. Every name, their mailing address, and checkboxes for card sent, card received, and gift received. No more digging through last year's texts trying to find an address the night before the post office closes. The menu and party planner handles the gatherings, each event, the date, the guest count, who's bringing which dish, and the cost. Christmas Eve dinner, 8 guests, the ham is on you. Aunt Carol's got the potatoes. It's the potluck coordinator that keeps you from ending up with 5 pies and no main course. And the shipping deadlines tab might be the most useful one in December. Every carrier's cutoff date, USPS, UPS, FedEx, Amazon, and Etsy, with a live countdown and a warning when a deadline is close. Miss these and you're paying for overnight shipping, so this one literally saves you money. That's the whole planner. 7 tabs, every formula already built, works in Excel and in Google Sheets, and it's an instant download. The link is in the description below. Go into the holidays with a plan and come out without the debt. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.